बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। अस्सलाम वालेकुम डियर स्टूडेंट 7th क्लास। आज हम एक स्टोरी करने जा रहे हैं। डू गुड हैव गुड इसका मॉरल है, तो ज़रा देखें ज़रा बेटा। वंस अपॉन अ टाइम देयर वाज अ स्लेव, हिज मास्टर वाज वेरी क्रूअल, ही मेड हिम वर्क, he did not give him enough food. The slave was very upset. One day he ran away to a jungle. He hid himself in a cave. He saw a lion there. He was moaning with pain. He saw a thorn in his paw. He took out the thorn. The lion felt relief and went away. After a few days, the slave was arrested. As punishment, he was thrown before a hungry lion. The lion rushed at him, but instead of eating, he began to lick his feet. It was the same lion that had met him in the jungle. Now he had recognized his rescuer. Now he had recognized his rescuer. The slave was freed at it. Moral: do good, have good. Kindness never goes unrewarded. तो ये स्टोरी जो है आपने नीट कॉपी पे लिखनी भी है और इसको याद भी करना है।